Another tool that I have recently started using is called Get Prospect. You can visit getprospect.io to check this out. One of the best features of Get Prospect is that it helps you generate leads from LinkedIn. So let me go inside my LinkedIn account, and inside LinkedIn I can perform a search. Let's say I want to search for digital marketing managers. So I will just go ahead and search for digital marketing manager, and you can see I have a list here. I will click on people, and I can also find out digital marketing managers only in India. So let me click on apply. So here you can see I have a list of digital marketing managers in India, and in this page I have a bunch of people displayed. So let me go ahead and visit the second page because I have already generated the leads from the first page. So here I will click on select all, and what will happen is that all the profiles will be selected here. At a time only 5 prospects will be selected because this is a free trial of the Get Prospect account. Let me see if I can select more prospects. Yes, I am able to select more prospects. So now I will go ahead and click on save prospects, and what will happen is that Get Prospect will save all these prospects. So it gives you 100 free credits with a free account. So let me log in into my Get Prospect account and see if I have got these leads. So here you can see these are the leads that I have generated, and some of the emails would say that it's not found, and some of the emails it would say it has found it, and some will be verified. So let's go ahead and sort out based on the emails that have been found. So here you can see these emails have been found. So this person is working as a digital marketing manager at Shopmatic. This person is working as a digital marketing manager at MedLife, and these emails are completely verified. So this is how you find leads from LinkedIn using Get Prospect. So let's see if I can generate more leads. I would go to page 3 and click on select all. So all the leads have been selected, and I will click on save prospects. So let's go to page 4, select all, save prospects. So you have 100 credits with the free account, and then you might have to sign up for the paid account if you want to generate even more leads. So let's go back here and see if I have generated more leads. So let me go ahead and click on refresh, and you can see I have generated 47 leads so far, and these are the emails that are still being fetched. Certain times it would say that the email ID has not been found, and sometimes it will go ahead and find the emails for you. So now let's see if I can go and just select the digital marketing managers. So here I will go ahead and select the digital marketing managers who have verified emails. So that's about it. I can also take all the emails and see if I can verify it with Never Bounce. There is also an email verification tool right inside Get Prospect. So now I have selected a bunch of emails, and what I can do is that I can rename this list. I can do group actions, I can archive it, delete it, or I can move to a new list. So move leads to a new list. So here I can create like a separate list, let's say digital marketing managers. And then I can select these people who are digital marketing managers and move them to a new list. So basically I would select them, click on group actions, move to, and select this. So all the digital marketing managers I have selected would come here, and I can click on export. And once I click on export, this file would get downloaded as an Excel file, and now I can start sending out emails to them. So email verification is offered by TrueMail.io. I think this is a sister company of GetProspect, and it's just like NeverBounce. It will verify whether these emails are valid or not. And you can see that I have only 100 credits here. There is a Google Chrome plugin as well. So if I want to upgrade my account, I can upgrade it here. So 50,000 discovered emails a month is $279 a month. And I can enter my credit card and subscribe for this if I want. So that's how getprospect.io works, and I hope you like this tool. So now we will go ahead and discover more tools and more outreach tools that are available in the market.